Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is broccoli soup by Knorr brand. So let's get started. So this is their smallest pack, which is 12.5 gram. It cost you rupees 15 and 1 year is the shelf life of this product. Now here is a tip that's totally option, but it will elevate your soup game. Grab a little bit of ghee and heat it up in a pan. Now toss some chopped garlic and add some fresh broccoli pieces. Now stir this on high flame for about 2 minutes. Alright, your soup tempering is ready. Keep this aside and now in a pan add 150 ml of water. To this empty the content of Knorr packet and add fried broccoli. Give it a good stir to ensure there are no lumps and cook it for about 3 minutes. Just like that your soup is ready. Coming to the taste, you are getting that pure broccoli flavor with every sip. Soup is super tasty, plus there are no added preservative. Overall, it's quick, easy to make and totally satisfies your hunger pangs when you are in rush, and there is this broccoli season going on. So you should give this a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.